Idleness is not commonly found in nature. Constant movement and adaptation are the necessary conditions required for successful development. Just like nature, as humans we strive to develop. It is with our mind and our hands with which we can always create new things. But what drives us? Is it the desire through creation and results to make something better? Is it the curiosity to learn, to win, or simply just the desire to find true beauty and perfection? For us at the Felder Group, the answer is clear. A combination of power, passion, and conviction is required to achieve our goal, now and in the future, to build the best woodworking machines. This motivation and mutual appreciation towards our customers and the environment have been important to us since our company was founded, and still holds the same importance today. This slogan is reinforced with each machine that we build and that leaves our factory in Hall in Tyrol. It is our machines that inspire our customers and users around the world with new ideas and creations that spur on the development.
It is our innovative strength, which we've used to carry our passion throughout the world for more than 60 years. Founded in a workshop in my grandparents' house, today we maintain a global presence in over 250 subsidiaries and service centers, with over 1,500 Felder ambassadors for perfect woodworking. We are still a true family company, now covering 3 generations, who continue our values. Strong, down to earth, always ahead of the times.
Bodenständig und genau am Puls der Zeit.
Since developing and manufacturing the first machine, every decision and investment relating to the company, its employees and customers has been carried out by the Felder family. Growth and global expansion are undertaken with healthy and informed decisions.
Despite our growth and the 1,000 possibilities we offer our users worldwide, every single machine is important to us. And above all, it is each customer that we want to convince to join us, the Felder Group, into the future together.
We like to see responsibilities as a challenge. Therefore, globally we support educational institutions, training workshops, youth competitions, and events, as well as social projects with our machines and the know-how of our employees. Wood itself has enormous potential as a renewable natural resource, not only as a building material for generations to come, but also because of the comfort and the unique feeling of well-being that cannot be replicated. So it is more important to develop intelligent and efficient solutions that do justice to the countless uses of this valuable raw material, wood. From the outset, our main focus is the intensive further development of our product solutions. Our customers' requirements remain the center of our development. This does not just require good listening, it requires creativity, but also the courage to think about completely new approaches and then to implement them. With these innovations and constructive technologies, we are always setting new standards. Numerous international patents and awards are proof of the direction that we have taken, the path of the Felder Group. This ensures that our machines and tools are not just better, more precise and longer lasting, but they are even more economical and efficient. Our customers are always moving with the times and combine function and design in their products using varying materials. And for that reason, our machines have to be all-rounders, being able to process plastics and composite materials. Our motto: more possibilities and more perfection. We make machines and tools for every user, for small workshops, through to complex industrial solutions. Everything from a single supplier. It is the team and the spirit of togetherness which equate to success. It is our willingness to learn and our flexibility that gives our customers and operators the security and trust to invest in strong and value-retaining products.
Mutig die Zukunft.
Boldly designing the future is the motto of the Felder Group. Join us on the path of success.
Erfolgreichen Weg.